What if I told you that Bitcoin might not be the biggest winner of 2025? While everyone is watching BTC slowly climb, a handful of undervalued altcoins are preparing to explode. Quietly, in this video, I'll show you the top 5 altcoins that could outperform Bitcoin, based on real use cases, upcoming events, and market momentum. It's no hype, no paid promos, just cold, hard research. Let's dive in. Altcoin number 1. Solana has already made waves in the last bull run, but 2025 could be its real breakout moment. Why it could explode? It's become the top Layer 1 alternative to Ethereum. SOL hosts top NFT projects, DeFi protocols, and now even stablecoin payments. Lightning fast transaction, speed 65,000 TPs. Gas fees are fractions of a cent. Great for mainstream adoption. 2025 catalysts: mass onboarding through Solana Mobile, new institutional staking solutions via Firedincer validator. Price potential: if BTC goes to $100,000, analysts expect Sol could easily hit $200, $300. Altcoin number 2, Injective protocol. Injective is one of the most talked about DeFi platforms in 2025. Why it's different? Built specifically for decentralized trading and derivatives, backed by Binance, Pantera Capital, and Coinbase Ventures, interoperable with Ethereum, Solana, and Cosmos. Rare combo. 2025 momentum: Injective ecosystem fund, worth $150 million, launched AI trading dApps, and synthetic assets, gaining traction. Low supply means higher upside. Price prediction: from $25 to possibly $150 plus in a bullish cycle. With solid fundamentals. Altcoin number 3. Arbitrum. Ethereum is booming, but it's slow and expensive. That's where Layer 2 south like Arbitrum come in. Why it matters: most active Layer 2 on Ethereum dominates TVL. In rollups, major dApps like Uniswap, GMX, and SushiSwap use Arbitrum for fast and cheap trades. What's coming in 2025? ARB staking and governance models going live. Major upgrade: Arbitrum Orbit, custom chains built on top of Arbitrum, integration with enterprise platforms and stablecoins. Price prediction: current price $1.2, with 5x to 8x potential by EOY 2025 if ETH booms. Altcoin number 4. Toncoin, originally started by Telegram and now officially integrated. Ton is the most slept on coin of 2025. Why? It's a sleeping giant. Over 900 million Telegram users can now access Ton through their wallet. Fast payments, NFTs, and mini apps are all built inside the Telegram ecosystem. Telegram is the largest crypto-native app. Ton is its native fuel. 2025 growth: Ton smart contracts going live, gaming projects, and digital ID via Ton ecosystem. New staking mechanisms launching. Price potential: current $7, with real chance to cross $25 plus in a bull market run. Altcoin number 5. PEPE. Yes, a meme coin. But not just any meme coin, the most viral one since Dogecoin. Why PEPE is more than a joke: zero presale, no team tokens, pure community-driven, over 700K holders as of mid-2025, listed on Binance. KuCoin. Coinbase new staking and burn mechanisms introduced. 2025 trend: meme coins are now an established asset class. If Deutsche and Shiba did it, PEPE can too. High social sentiment plus low entry price equals viral growth. Risk is high, but so is reward. A small bag of PEPE might go a long way if history repeats. Bonus tip: how to play these coins safely. Don't chase pumps. Use dollar cost averaging and never go all in. Diversify between Layer 1 south, DeFi protocols, and 1 or 2 speculative bets. Use cold wallets for long holds and only trust major exchanges. Remember, crypto will explode in waves. Be there before it happens, not after it trends. These aren't just hype coins. These are projects building real infrastructure, solving real problems, and gearing up for 2025's bull run. Which one are you most bullish on? Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful. Make sure to like, subscribe to Crypto Knowledge 05, and turn on notifications for no hype crypto deep dives. The next altcoin wave is coming. Be ready.